Hello, I'm sitting inside of this Peugeot 208 2012 model that didn't come with navigation or reversing camera, so we're actually in process of fitting those into this existing head unit. And meanwhile, we thought that why not we take some video of the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, since those are the products we've been putting much focus lately and receiving some feedbacks from the customers as well. So there's currently hardware already retrofitted into this vehicle. So how it works in the Peugeot is that when you press and hold of the source button from the steering wheel, just a couple of seconds, it switches to CarPlay screen straight away. As you can see, it uses the existing screen, hence it uses the existing touch screen as well. Simply just touch function and you can select the apps with your fingertip. Of course, there's nothing to do with the additional screen or whatsoever. This is the genuine screen that came with the Peugeot. We haven't touched anything. Just the hardware system that piggybacks into the audio head unit and provides all the details from the iPhone, which there's currently being one connected. The Apple CarPlay not only brings the apps to the screen, but also brings a voice command to the Siri as well. So let me just quickly demonstrate. Hey Siri, take me to nearest petrol station.
Is BP on Dawson Street in Brunswick West. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes.
Getting directions to BP.
So that was the voice command that just executed the navigation through the Apple Map. And same goes to any other commands. For example, hey Siri, call Robert.
Correct. Hi,
Just like that. It also supports the phone messaging as well. So pretty much any apps that is compatible with Apple CarPlay, which can be displayed up to the screen, will be compatible with the voice command as well.